Hi! Welcome back to our classroom. My name is Miss Cora, and I am so happy you are joining me today. In our last 2 classes, we've been reading stories that contain words with short vowel sounds. And to help us do that, we've been using a very special book. Now, do you remember the magic words we use to read our stories? Yes! Great memory. You're so clever. Let's read together. Good job. Now, let's go ahead and say these words nice and loud so that our book can hear and reveal today's brand new story. Ready? You're so clever. Let's read together. Whoa! Friend, it looks like today we are going to read a story that contains words with the short I vowel sound. Now, do you remember what the short I vowel sound sounds like? Yes, that's correct. The short I vowel sound sounds like I, I. Very good. Now this is called the front cover of a book. And on the front cover, we can find lots of important information, like the title or the name of our story, and the author, the person who created our story. Now the title of today's story is Kit Goes for a Swim. And the author of our story is Miss Cora. That's me. Let's go ahead and begin with me reading our story first, just like last time. And on the left, you'll be able to see both the words and illustrations or pictures from our story. During this time, I encourage you to listen and pay attention to my voice. Afterwards, you'll then be given the chance to practice reading this story on your own. And after practicing on your own, you'll then have the opportunity to show what you remember as we play Who Wants to Be a Reader? Are you ready? Let's read! Kit Goes for a Swim by Miss Cora. This is Vic. Vic is a big fish. Vic can swim with his fins. Look! Vic wins! Kit is a pig. She is 6. Kit goes for a dip. She skids and slips. Oh no! Kit cannot swim like Vic. Kit sees Vic the fish. Vic sees Kit the pig. Vic lifts Kit. Kit gives Vic a tin of figs. Thank you, Vic. The end. Okay, friend, it's your turn. Feel free to now practice reading this story on your own. Or you can rewatch and practice along with me again before you give it a shot. During your reading, I encourage you to pause this video at any time to support where you are in your English language journey. If you're ready, let's begin with the title of our story. You've got this. How was it? I'm sure you did an awesome job, and I am so proud of you for practicing on your own. Now, are you ready to play our game? I'm ready. Here in front of me, I have 4 different questions from our story. Each question has 4 different answers, but only one is correct. Do you think you can find all of the correct answers? I bet you can. And don't forget, for each correct answer that you give, you can win $250,000. Are you ready? Let's play Who Wants to Be a Reader? Question 1. Who is Vic? A hen, B, a fish, C, a pig, or D, a bed? That's correct. The correct answer is B. Vic is a fish. Good job. Question 2. How old is Kit? A, 6, B, 8, C, 3, or D, 4? That's right. The correct answer is A. Kit is 6. Excellent job. Okay, friend, question number 3 only has 2 answers. Which one is correct? Ready? Can Kit swim? A, yes, or B, no? That's correct. The correct answer is B. No, Kit cannot swim. Good job. Last question, question number 4. What does Kit give Vic? A, apples, B, a doll, C, figs, or D, a wig? Yes, great memory. The correct answer is C. Kit gives Vic figs. Yay! Yay! How'd you do? Friend, I had such a fun time reading with you today, and I hope you enjoyed both our story and game. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to learning with you next time. Bye!